Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
And let's see, how about Meadowbrook versus April Balecki? April Balecki?
I'm here.
Spilecki, get you there. Are you applying for financial assistance?
No,
No. Do you want to speak with legal services?
no.
No. I guess, Mr. Lehman, we can proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client is showing rent to retain of $1,192 and costs of $168 for a grand total of $1,360.
Okay. Ms. Balecki, anything you want to tell me?
Yeah, I'm kind of I'm kind of getting really frustrated with the trailer park, and I'm this is not directed at Caitlin or Heather. This is directed at whoever runs Meadowbrook. I had talked to Caitlin and Heather
Grab my charger, bring it to us.
about
Go ahead,
being
Liam, that's somebody
200. I was still going to owe $200. Well, they had issued. It wasn't even 5 days. I don't even think after the rent was due that they had issued court costs. So this is becoming a thing. Like, they don't even give you time to get anything paid. They immediately tack on the $170 for court costs to add to it. And then they wait and hold it out until they can get into the beginning of the month to take you to court and have the first month's rent for that month and your past due. So technically they filed court papers over $200. And then I got almost $200 in fines. Like, you want people to be able to just come up with, sometimes I struggle as it is. I don't need another $200 tacked on. Like, I will pay my rent today, but even when you go on the website to pay your rent, to pay my $930 rent, it costs me almost $60 to pay it on the website. So I have to go get a money order, which I will do today for the rent that's due for this month. But the $400, I'm gonna have to wait to pay that for like 2 weeks.
Okay. I guess I'm not sure if you're not paying the rent on time, though, I guess that's the issue.
And Your Honor, I think that
So-
it's late fees assessed after the 5th. So I think the 7-day notice is sent as of the 6th or 7th.
Oh.
You have to wait 7 days and then we submit it to the court. And after that, the court schedules the hearing. So if it's
Yeah.
not scheduled until after the 1st of the month, the following month, that's how the court is scheduling it. We
I
have no
got you.
control over that.
Yeah, I got you. And some of it depends on who's applied for assistance, who didn't, that type of thing too. So, ma'am, there's some court rules I have to follow as well. They've got to give, there's a 3-day period in there that's comes up with some of them. Some of them don't. It may not be their particular fault. Maybe the way it gets scheduled based on court rules too. Some of it. I'm just guessing. Okay. I mean, that's part of it as well. But if the rent's due, unfortunately, I have to proceed as well. If they
I
want it-
understand that, and I'm not
Yeah.
arguing that the
Yeah,
rent
no, I
wasn't
know.
paid, all of it wasn't paid on time. But you mean to tell me that everybody who is 10 days late on their rent is going to court? That's absolutely absurd. They don't do it. They pick and choose who they take to court. They pick and choose who they're going to charge the extra money to. I mean, it's ridiculous. I've heard people come on here from Meadowbrook that are $3,000, $4,000 behind. I was literally $200 behind. I talked to Caitlin and Heather, told them I was waiting for a check from the college I attend, and they were okay with it. But whoever owns Clear Trail or whoever it is, they apparently set the court papers out. Well, it's it's just asinine to me the way that
Yeah,
this
and
company works, and you can't contact anyone there ever.
If you, ma'am, and the only thing you got to understand, I'm just going to be making decisions. So if you want to talk to legal services, you're more
No,
welcome
because
to
my
do
stuff will
that.
be paid.
Okay, no, I know it, but I'm saying if there's some issues like that, you're more welcome to talk to them about those issues. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
if you want to just, and I understand sometimes it's just not worth it, unfortunately. But it's up to you. I'll adjourn it for a week, give you a chance to do that, or if you just want to proceed, we'll do it that way. Either way.
You can proceed. I'm gonna make the
Okay.
payment today for rent for this month, and then
Okay.
I'm just waiting for the college to issue our checks, which could be
Yeah.
at the end of this week or beginning of next week. I'm not exactly sure.
Okay. All right. All right. Mr. Lyman, I'm sorry. not that we got sidetracked, but why don't you go ahead and give me the figures again, just so I
Certainly, Your
understand.
Honor. Rent to retain is $1,192 even. Costs are $168 for a total of $1,360.
Okay. All right, so we'll enter judgment for that amount, allow a writ of eviction after the statutory time period, 10 days, after September 12th. Okay. All right, Miss Blicky, and you're all set. And like I said, anytime you got an issue though, you can always call legal services too, okay?
Okay,
All right. And other than that, you're all set.
thanks.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Meadowbrook versus Jenna Bone and John Bone.
I'm
Anybody?
here.
No, right there on that phone. Is it Jenna Bone?
Yep.
Okay. Do you wish to speak with legal services?
No.
No. Are you applying for, are you going to apply for rental assistance?
Yes.
Okay.
I just got behind because my car broke down and I had to pay $1,200 to get it fixed to get back and forth to work. That's why I got behind.
Okay, so let's do this. Mr. Landman, let's give her the week to apply for assistance.
Very
Yeah,
well, Your Honor.
okay, we'll adjourn this matter to September 9th.
I just need to know the balance too of what I owe.
Okay,
Certainly. My client is showing a balance of $1,504 and costs of $206 for a total of $1,710.
Okay.
and then we'll adjourn your matter to September 9th, but in the meantime, what you'll have to do for me is come down to the courthouse. There's a one-page document you need to fill out for me. It's a rental assistance verification form. Okay? If you'll do that for
Okay.
me, we'll adjourn it to that date, September 9th, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You're all set. Let's see, Meadowbrook versus Mason Duncan and Cheyenne Luch.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hi.
And I see Mr. Duncan as well.
Okay,
Yes,
we
I'm
got
here.
both of them on here. Okay. Do either one of you want to speak with legal services?
No, sir.
No? Mr. Duncan?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
No? Okay, that's okay. Are you applying for rental assistance?
No, Your Honor.
No? Mr. Duncan, I'm assuming you're both in agreement with that. Is that right?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. I guess we can proceed. Mr.
Thank you,
Landon?
Your Honor. My client is showing a balance of $1641.25 and costs of $168 for a grand total of $1809.25.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I
ma'am.
have, Your Honor, I have August's rent I'm paying today. And
Okay.
then any extension I can get for September would be greatly appreciated.
Okay. Mr. Duncan, I might as well cover you too. Anything else?
No, sir. That's it.
No? Okay. Mr. Landman, can you,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you give her a little extra time or not?
Let's see. I thought I saw the manager. It's not without the manager's permission. Let's put it that way.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Up there's Meadowbrook.
So
Yeah, there she is. Got her right in the square of my screen here. They're asking for a little more time for September's rent, I guess.
Well, any extension that we could receive would be greatly appreciated.
Can we adjourn it about a week?
Adjourn it for a week and see what we
Yep.
got? Sure. What we do is we'll adjourn this matter to next week, September 9th.
Thanks, Caitlin.
You're welcome.
Okay, and I guess both of you, the best advice I got, just work on getting it paid, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, guys.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.